Hello friends, welcome to Data Science Lovers. In our last video, we discussed about log and ilog function in Pandas library. In this video, we will discuss about the Boolean indexing. If we check our Pandas note for Boolean indexing, we will type here Boolean. Here you can see Boolean series indexing and you will get some ideas from here. What is Boolean indexing and how we can use it? First of all, we have to import the Pandas library here. Suppose we have this series A. We have created this series with 6 random values and this series will look like this. Here we have indexes from 0 to 5 and 6 values. Now if I want to check where the value is less than 20 in this series, then I can use the less than operator and the value that I want to compare with. When I run this, it will show the output in the form of true and false. Where the output is true means the condition is satisfied and the value is less than 20. And where the output is false means the condition is not satisfied and the value is not less than 20. So this is the output in the form of Boolean, or you can say true or false. Now suppose I want to mention only those records or only those values where the condition is true. Then I can write a series name, the square brackets, and inside the square brackets we have to mention our condition. Our condition is A less than 20. When we will run this, it will show only one record, 0 index and the 12 value. Here the condition is satisfied, means true, whereas at other indexings the condition is not satisfied, where we had false. Similarly, we can check for the values that are greater than 20. It is showing true where the condition is satisfied and false where the condition is not satisfied. Again, if I want to show only those elements where we have true, then I can write series name, the square brackets, and inside the square brackets can write our condition A greater than 20. When we will run this, it will show only the output where we had true. We can also show the output with two conditions using the OR operator. Suppose our first condition is A must be greater than 80 and our second condition is A must be equal to 40. Between these two conditions, we have to put the OR operator sign, which is this. When I run this, it will show the output in the form of true and false. False means where none of the condition is satisfied, and true means where any one of these condition is satisfied. So you can see at index number 0, it is showing false. Means the value is neither greater than 80 or nor it is equal to 40. At second index, it is showing true. Means here you can see the value is not greater than 80, but it is satisfying our second condition, which is A must be equal to 40. Here we have 40, so it is showing true. Again, if we see index number 3, the value is 99 and it is showing true. Here this condition is satisfying, A must be greater than 80. So that's how we can use the logical operator as well in the Boolean indexes. Now again, if we want to show only those records where these two conditions are satisfied, then we have to write our series A, the square brackets, and inside the square brackets we have to mention the condition like this. When I will run this, it will show only 3 records, the index 2, index 3 and index 5, where any one condition is satisfied. Now we will do Boolean indexing on a real data frame. We have this data frame. Here we have about 8000 rows and 8 columns. Here we will consider this column wind speed. Suppose we want to check the instances or records where the wind speed is greater than 5. So we will consider this column like this, and here I will put the condition greater than 5. When we will run this, it will show the output in the form of true and false. False means where the wind speed is not greater than 5, and true means where the wind speed is greater than 5. If we see these records 2, 3 and 4 index from this data frame, here the wind speed is greater than 5, 7, 6, 7. So it is showing true here, and at index number 0 and 1 the wind speed is not greater than 5, so it is showing false here. Now if we want to filter out only those records where the condition is true, then we can do like this. Our data frame name df is square brackets, and inside the square brackets we have to mention this condition like this. When we will run this, we will show only those records which are satisfying the condition, and there are 7999 records out of the total 87840 records. Now suppose we want to check where the wind speed is equal to 7, so we can copy this again, and here I will change the condition equal to 7. It will show the output in the form of true and false. True means the wind speed is equal to 7, false means the wind speed is not equal to 7. Now if you want to check out or filter out only those records where the wind speed is equal to 7, our data frame name is square brackets, and here as you all know we have to put our condition. When we will run this, will show the output like this. Here we have 677 rows where the wind speed is 7. Now we will do the Boolean indexing with multiple conditions using the OR operator. Here we will use two different conditions on two different columns. Our first condition, we will keep this only. Our wind speed should be greater than 5. This is our first condition. We will put this condition in round brackets, and we will pass one more condition. Here we will choose this visibility column. A data frame name, and inside the square brackets we have to mention the column name, and here we will put the condition the visibility should be greater than 50. This is our second condition. We will put this in round brackets as well. So these are our two conditions, condition 1 and condition 2. We will put the OR operator between these two conditions like this. When we will run this, it will show the output in the form of true and false. True means any one of the condition is satisfied. False means none of the condition is satisfied. And when we want to see the output in the form of data frame, we can simply do data frame name is square brackets. Inside the square brackets, we have to mention these two conditions. When we will run this, it will show all the records where any one of the condition is satisfied. We have used OR operator, so it will consider true when any one of the condition is satisfied, as you all know. I hope you have understand what is Boolean indexing and how we can use it. In our next video, we will talk about add and tail function. Friends, kindly subscribe to our channel and like this video.